Hey guys, my name is Shaaanelle with the 3A's here on YouTube, one A in real life, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you're going to watch me do my nails. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel and just watch me do this little do. Okay, so this is what my hands look like before I started. I have really bad cuticles, like I don't know why they be looking like they just be overgrown. I don't know. Um anyway, so to get my cuticles together, I push them back first with this little cuticle pusher thingy, this little silver one. And then once they're all pushed back, I go ahead and I remove some of the excess from my nail bed. That way I don't get a bunch of crazy lifting, even though I'm a beginner, so it'll be lifting anyway. After I push it off, or scrape it off, then I go through with the little clippers, and as you can see, I clip off all of that extra skin, which be like a lot because I don't know, that's just how my hands be doing. I don't have them cute little nails that be on Instagram. Like I just don't have those. Um, so I do some more cleaning with the drill after I go through and nip everything off. At least that's what I did this time. Um, I just went through the base, really trying to clean up the edges and everything like that. Also, for some reason, my nails get this like, it's weird. Like they grow in on the sides and then they stop. It's really weird. It's like a hangnail type deal. So after I do my best to get my cuticles in order so that they look decent, I go ahead and I'm removing all the shine off of my fingers, so that, you know, the product can stick, do what it do. I'm just using like a medium grit little sanding bit, and I'm not on a very high speed, so I'm just taking off the top layer of shine. I ain't going too hard like they be doing at the nail salons. My thumb was a little bit long, so I decided to clip it, but all the other nails, I was like, these, you know, they ain't that bad, so I went ahead and left them the length that they were. But you can clip all your nails if you want to, all the way down. Some people like to work with nothing, so you can clip them down if you want to, but do you, boo boo. After I got the thumbnail clipped off, I went ahead and started sizing my nails. Now, I got these tips from Sally Beauty. Um, they're really sturdy, like they're really hard tips, they're really sturdy, and they have like this little indentation on the inside, which is pretty good for beginners because you can, I don't know, I feel like it's a good little guide for beginners to help you to make sure that you're putting on the nail straight. So I went ahead and used these nails because some of the other nails that I have are pretty cheap, and they don't be sticking, they don't sit right on the nail. It's just crazy. So I'm using these. I did buy me some though. I'm really excited to try them out when these nails fall off, because I did buy some and I really like the new ones that I bought. But anyway, put them on with the KDS glue, by the way. And the KDS glue is really, really good. You can get like 30 of them off Amazon for a few bucks. But it's a really good nail glue, you guys. So if you're looking for a good nail glue, try the KDS one. So now I'm just gonna cut them down. I wanted my nails short, because for one, I didn't want to be up all night trying to do some long nails. And for two, I always wear my nails short. So I wanted these really short, went ahead, cut them down to size. And then I started sizing them. So, not sizing them, shaping them. So I shaped them into kind of like a narrow square type deal, is what I had going on. I didn't cut off the sides because I didn't feel like it was necessary since I wasn't doing them completely tapered and because they're so short. So I didn't cut off the sides. I just went ahead and used the hand file to get them into the shape that I wanted. So next, I'm going to mix my acrylics together. So I took some white acrylic and then I took clear acrylic, and I did 2 parts of the clear and 1 part of the white. However, I felt like after I did like one of my nails that this was a little bit too white still for me. So I probably will end up doing, like, if I ever want milky white again, I'll probably end up doing 3 parts clear to 1 part white, just to get it kind of the color that I want. But you're gonna see at the end, it actually wasn't a bad color at all. So I went ahead and did some of my nails, but I'm blending in the tips first. Then I go ahead and add the acrylic primer to my nail, and then I start putting the acrylic on. This is hard, you guys. Like, I've worked with white one time before doing my little sister's nails, and it was the hardest thing I've ever done when it comes to acrylics. Like, especially as a beginner, do not use white. Use something else like clear, or like a pink or something like that. Something that will flow more easily, because white just seizes up. Even though I mixed it with this to even though I mixed it with clear to make the milky color, it still happened to seize up earlier than I wanted to, I guess you could say. So um, yeah, white is not easy to work with. As you can see, my nose is bumpy, lumpy, and looking crazy. So I have a lot of filing to do. So I went in with the electric file. I don't have anything yet that helps me to cut down the bulk really fast. All I have are these little sanding bits. So I'm just using the sanding bit to cut down as much bulk as I can. That way it doesn't look too crazy. Like, it still feels kind of crazy on my nails, and the shape, it by no means is perfect. Because as I mentioned, I'm a beginner, so I'm new at this, and it's not easy. But I'm just going through to really file this down and try to cut as much bulk as I can. Um, and yeah. After I got the bulk down, that's when I went back to kind of reshape the nails. I just felt like it would make it a little bit easier if I tried to get the bulk down first and then reshape the nails, as opposed to shaping the nails and then going in and trying to perfect the shape. Well, not the shape, but the bulk factors of the nail, I guess you could say. But I went ahead and did the shaping afterward, and it worked out for me. And then I did some more work across the top of the nail with bulk and just everything, imperfections and stuff like that, dips and stuff. I went through and tried to do some work with that as best as I could, girl. I did what I could. So this is what the nails were looking like after I did some of my filing. They still look pretty bad. I ain't gonna hold y'all. They still look pretty bad because I'm new at this. But this is what they ended up looking like afterward. I got that stuff off my middle finger, by the way, at the cuticle area. But that's what they looked like. So I decided to stop it there. And I went ahead and put on my clear coat because I was like, let me just finish this. Like, if you ever been a beginner with something and you started, just follow through and finish, because sometimes the end result be looking okay-ish. So I used my D&D top coat, um, and I went ahead, put on the clear coat, put it in the lamp, the nail lamp, and let them dry. And this is what they look like at the end. And like I said, like, if you're a beginner, just follow through. Like, they're bad, but they're not that bad. It could be a lot worse, but I'm really pleased with my end results, especially, me being so new at trying to work with acrylics and stuff, especially doing acrylics on myself. But yeah, that's the end of this. Thank you guys for watching. This is my little nail pose, and bye.